How to create a Facebook story, all you need to know. Welcome to a new tutorial on our channel. Let's create an interesting Facebook story together. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Then click on Create Story here. Select the photo or video you want to add by clicking on it. Now I will add some details. Swipe up. Add one of the numerous emojis. Resize or enlarge it as desired and position it. Additionally, you can add some text. Click on the text icon here. Then enter the desired text and set the style you want by clicking on the icon at the top of the screen. Select the font color. You have a lot of colors to choose from. After that, press Done. Position the text where you want it. Let's add some music. Press the music note icon on the right side. By clicking the play button next to the song title, you can listen to the song before selecting it. When you choose a song, click on its title to add it. This element can also be positioned wherever you want, and you can change the size of the sticker. The star icon is for effects, which I will skip this time. If you are a creative soul and like to draw, click on this icon. Choose the color and thickness of the pen and be creative. By pressing Done, you save changes and add them to the story. I hope you found out everything you wanted to know. If you have questions, write them in the comments. For more tutorials, follow our channel.